Hey everyone, so welcome to my channel, that is Doctor and Forex Trader. So I welcome you all to this amazing live session. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So as you all know, we daily trade here NAS 100 live, and we are trying to pass a $10,000 funded challenge, right? Almost we came live at 7:15 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. daily, and we have just took this challenge that I'll be trying my best to pass this live challenge, and will try to teach price action as much as possible to you. So I hope you are enjoying these sessions, and you keep on enjoying these, and you learn trading. And remember one thing, that my trading is completely boring, okay, because I keep on doing same things again and again. Don't expect any excitement or anything like that. I'm being very clear to you. I want to make your life exciting with the money which you make from trading, not by trading, because we don't have uncertain outcomes here. We have certain outcomes, that is either a target or stop loss. Not any lottery ticket we are going to open here, that you will get rich quick scheme, something kind of that you will become an overnight success or something like that. That will not happen, okay. So your mindset should be very clear that you have to learn trading, and after 4-5 months, after trading with me for 4-5 months, you are self independent and you can trade on your own, and you become a profitable trader. That is my main goal. I don't want to create dependency on me, that you have to depend on me to take trades. I want you to get the confidence of trading so that you can trade yourself, right? So without wasting much time, let's get back to the screen and start our live forex streaming for today. I hope it goes to be a great day. Okay, so here I welcome you all to my trading screen, right? If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, and if you are watching it regularly and you like my analysis, then don't hesitate to hit the like button. I hope my voice is very much clear to you, right? So let's start. In front of you is the screen in which you can see the chart of NAS 100. As usual, you all know, I start with the recap. So this was the recap trade which we took. No, this was a losing trade. After this we took one more trade. I think that sketch is cleared. It's okay. This was the trade. Let me show you once. It was, yeah, almost here we bought it, somewhat like this, and we hit this target. This was a nice trade. Okay. Hello brother, good evening. How are you? I don't like, making trading complex. We'll talk later, don't worry. Let's first make the analysis for the day, right? Let me show you. This is our dashboard. Okay. This is the Funding Frontier account I am using. And this is our current dashboard, and we stand at $285 plus. Our profit target is 7.5%. That is, when we hit 7.5%, we'll clear this challenge, right? So you can very clearly see till now we have took total 9 trades, okay, and these are total lots. And see, even before starting this all program, I told everyone that my win rate will be almost 60%. Don't expect me to be 100%, 80%, no. But see this thing. This is what matters. Your win size is much more than average loss. I told you I keep on mostly taking trades that is with 1:5, 1:1.5 almost risk reward. So it's almost that much only. And these are all our trades. With this $139 our trade started. First trade was this, then this, then this. These three were our winning trades, consecutive winning trades. Then we had a streak of four losing trades. Okay. And then again we had now two winning trades consecutively. Right? So this is the whole story till now. Right? Now let's move to the charts and let's make our analysis for the day, then we'll talk. So those who are with me knows how I start the analysis. I'll be opening the chart on the 1 day time frame in the initial. Right? Let's clear all the previous drawings. So what I can see, seeing these charts in different time frame is, idea behind this is to make a bias. If we get a bias in all the time frames similar, that means we have a bias for the day, that we are much more confident in taking trades of that side, right? Are you getting that? So this is, what is this? Tell me in the chat section, what is this? What I am marking? What are these points? So these are higher highs, higher lows. And what does these signify? That the market is in uptrend, right? Very great, very good. Then see, from here you can see we had gotten a lower high, right? So at this point the market becomes unpredictable, right? Our trend is now unclear. It may break from here and give us another higher high, or it may fall down and it may form a lower low and lower high, right? So our bias on the daily time frame is not very much clear today, right? Next step, let's shift to the 4 hour time frame. So this is our 4 hour time frame. In this, if you consider it for shorter time frame, right, then what you can see, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, right? So the short term bias in the 4 hour time frame is uptrend. Got it? Bullish, that means. So now let's shift to our next time frame, that is 1 hour time frame. So this is a path which I follow. Okay, you have to follow same path if you feel it is good. I'll not force you that you should use this method only, but this is my method for price action trading. Okay, now we'll shift to 1 hour time frame. So what you can see, similar, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So maybe it is going for another higher high. That means again it's a uptrend in 1 hour time frame, right? Okay. So now we'll be shifting to our most important time frame for the day. So tell me, what is the bias? In daily it is undecidable currently. In 4 hour it's almost bullish. In 1 hour it's bullish, right? Now shift to 15 minutes time frame. And what does we use shift 15 minutes time frame for? To mark one or two major levels for the day. I don't select any pairs or anything. I just use intraday trading for NAS 100. That's it. In these sessions you will be trading single instrument, that is NAS 100. That makes more sense. And let me tell you, one instrument is sufficient to make you enough money, right? Just a second. So now this is our 15 minutes time frame chart, right? So now I'm giving you just a 30 seconds time. You mark your levels for the day. One bullish level and one bearish level. Then try to match with me. Try to check whether you are same with me or not. So now I am marking mine, right? I have told in previous also, and now also I will be telling why I am using levels. See, what I can see is this zone. See how beautifully market reacted from this point, right? Again the similar zone. Always remember, in market there is never a single point. It's a zone, right? It is a zone. So this is again the same zone market is reacting, same zone. Here also same zone, again and again, again and again. So this becomes a important zone, right? This one. You may raise it further up, and never think that it's a pinpoint precision in market. No, never. It's never like that. You have to think, grossly. I think my camera is disturbing you. Let's shift the chart to downside. Right, now it's clear. Okay, so this is an important zone in 15 minutes time frame, right? So let's mark one more zone. I can think this zone is also good zone. See, it rejected 3 times from this. So this is also a zone. And let's make one more zone, this one. Okay, so these three are the major zones for the day. Clear? Now we'll be shifting to the most important, that is 5 minutes time frame. Now what is the next step? You have to mark one or two minor levels for the day. Clear? Just try to mark one or two levels, then I'll be marking mine, and then see whether you matched with me or not. So for me one level is this. Clear? At this time I'm making just this one level only. Clear? So now let's decide the trading idea for the day. We'll be deciding one or two bullish ideas and one or two bearish ideas. Clear? So one bullish idea is, if we get a straight breakout from here, clear, then we'll be waiting for a retest, then an upside move. If we have gotten something like this in the market, then I'll be marking some upside level for the target. Clear? But currently this is enough, as it is a bullish idea. So let's make it green. Your chart should be very neat and clean. You don't need hundreds of indicators or anything like that. Just one simple horizontal line is enough to have good trading for you. Yeah, it's consolidating in different time frames, but I am deciding what I want from market. If I get what I want from market, then I'll take a trade, otherwise I will leave it. So I can't see in 5 minutes it's consolidating. No, you can see from initially it went from this to this, then from this to this level, okay, then from this. You can't particularly say that it's a consolidating market. Clear? So one idea is this one. Clear? Next idea is similar but bearish, that if you get a double top from here, this becomes a bearish idea. So these two are the main basic ideas for upside. Then let's mark another idea. So you can see that it's breaking out from this level. Clear? It may come again to retest this, then this will be the target. Clear? These three are the current trade ideas for today. Yes, exactly. We are designing the trades for today. Clear? If we get all the things which we want, then only we will be taking the trades. Otherwise, we will simply leave out of this. Clear? So these three are the main ideas for the day. Clear? And if it starts to fall down, then I'll think it again. If it starts to fall down, show you that also. If exactly from this point we get a bearish engulfing candle, clear, bearish engulfing candle, then I'll be taking a down trade with this as a target, because what I can see is it's a kind of a triple top, or you can say a head and shoulder, so it may also be a downside trade, right? But for that we have to wait for a bearish engulfing candle. Clear? This mindset is made with, hundreds of, what you say, failures, because I have experienced many things, many failures by doing foolish things. That's why. Yeah, I trade other pairs also, but that a kind of, positional or swing trading, you can say, that runs for 2 days, 3 days. But for intraday, just this one art of daily trading that I am doing with you. I don't trade at after closing this screen, because as you know, I'm a budding orthopedic surgeon, so I don't get much time to see the charts. That's why the time which I am trading here with you all in the live session is the time I am giving for intraday trading, not even 1 second extra from that. For intraday, you are asking? So I don't know what is the problem in trading NAS 100. You have to do intraday trading, that's it. Whatever it be. I am sitting in front of you, I am giving you confidence in trading as I am trading with you. Then what's happened? Can you go with JB, pay JPY for now? I'm not getting you what you are saying. No, I told you. We'll be long only after a retest. Otherwise, we are not interested. That's it. Okay. So we are doing this first time, but let's do. So we will be analyzing that GBP JPY for one of our viewers. Okay. Where's GBP JPY? There it is. So you are asking in the swing time frame or intraday? Swing. Okay. Currently, you can't say anything because it may take rejection and fall further down, right? If you want to be bullish, then this should be your idea. Clear? Otherwise, you should not be long currently, or you would have taken the trade here because it was a bullish engulfing candle. So this would be a great target for you. In fact, not this, this, this. So it hit the target clear, right? But now you have to wait for the breakout and retest, because many times I have observed it falls down directly. As you can see, here is a liquidation sweep pending. Clearly you can see, right? So it may fall down further. And here you can see is a big double top also, right? A very big double top which have broken and then it is coming for a retest, so it may fall down. Go for the funded account, brother. If you don't know, then tell me, I'll explain. But there is no point of trading with 50 or $100. Okay, I hope you have got the sufficient idea for GBP JPY. Now let's move to our NAS 100. I think I have opened charts for two different companies, right? Because in this now we are able to see our yesterday, the day before yesterday's trade. Yeah, so this was our chart for today. See, if this red candles become a bearish engulfing candle, then we will be selling. Clear? And if it stays here and the next candle is again an bullish engulfing candle, now then we will be long for this target and then next target. So now main thing is going on, that is patiently waiting. Trading is 1% execution and 99% waiting. Clear? Don't do any foolish thing, you will make money in this market. Do any foolish thing, one trade is enough to finish you. Clear? If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit that bell icon also, so that you are notified whenever I host a live session. I don't have much time for content creation or anything like that. I am just here to, provide real trading. That's it. Being a doctor, I don't have much time to editing, do other stuff. I just host one live session, and that is properly practical and based on real concepts and raw trading. Nothing is behind the curtains. All charts, all the trades you are seeing live. So if we pass, it will be live. If we fail, it will be live. My work is to, do good trading. That's it. Nothing else is expected from me. I I accept what market gives me, and I expect that I'll be doing good trading and I'll be following all the rules. After that, whatever happens, I'll readily accept that. That should be your mindset very clearly. Like, let's come back to your question. Your question is, what is the minimum account size we can try as a beginner, right? So you suppose you are a beginner and you start with $100. I think less than 100 is nothing, right? So let's suppose you start with $100. Even if you become a great trader, right, great trader, then also you will be able to max manage 5-7% a month, and that's also, I am saying, just more than enough. So out of $100, suppose you manage to get 4-5-6%, what is the amount? That is $4-5. That's it. And in that much money, if your money is, lost, is risk, or anything like that happens, you will not have any emotional trauma, right? So you will not gain experience of live market trading. If you suppose you lose $2, $3, then that, would that affect your mental health? No, right? So there's no use of that. Instead of that, for that $100, you should buy three, four funded challenges of like $5,000 account. That is almost a real money for you. For company, let it be a demo or anything, but for you, the real money is engaged. Suppose so, you should try trading those challenges, right? That will try to develop discipline in you. Because if you do any mistake, instantly your account will be blown. Clear? Account size means funded account, so very clear. That's it. Start with, if you are complete beginner, start with the minimum possible account. Because account size doesn't matter when you have confidence in your trading. You have to just increase that lot size and your trading should be completely same. So if you don't know anything and you are completely new, start with initial minimum possible account and stake minimum possible money. Like you will be buying a $10,000 for 60k, sorry, for $60, and a $5,000 for almost $30, I guess. So start with minimum. I also did this mistake. That's why I am able to guide you. Initially, first I bought a challenge of $25,000 account. Then I shifted to 10,000 and then I shifted to 5,000, right? Although the first challenge which I cleared was of $10,000. Clear? I started trading 4-5 years back. It took me almost 3 years to become profitable. That was on and off. That was, had many times of failures, breakouts, thinking that it is not made for me, sorts stuff like that. I skipped it by thinking that it's not made for me, and these things come in every trader's mindset, right? Market never stops teaching, right? It will always give you learning. If you do one good mistake and you are out. So be very clear that one missed good trade can't do anything, but one bad losing trade can spoil everything. Be very, fix this thing in your mind. So no over trading, no revenge trading. Don't try to fight with the market. Think to go with the flow. Like what market is doing, respect that and grow and go with it. See, let me show you. This was a breakout. It's kind of a retest also, but if this candle would be a bullish engulfing, then I would be interested in buying. But now, as it is not an engulfing candle, so I'm not interested. Clear? Many influencers or people are out there are, misguiding people. I also have been misguided many times. When you are in initial days of your trading career, you get mesmerized by the words like 100% winning strategy, 90% winning strategy, this, that, we'll give you this, we'll give you that. And at the end, you get to know that nothing like this is possible. 100% returns mean, you will be able to beat Jeff Bezos and Ambani in 2 to 3 years only. That so just think by yourself, is that possible? No, it's not that possible. So genuinely, if you trade and if you are managing to get 3, 4, 5% return a month on your capital, that's much more than enough, and you can do whatever you want. You will earn whatever you want, right? Yes, I have good idea about Indian markets. I started with Indian markets also. and currently I'm doing swing trading and I'm managing a return of 6 to 7% a month. And yeah, in that I have a completely turnaround strategy. Very simple, very easy, which I got to know. It took me almost 3 4 years to get something like that, and thus just my own made only, and I'm getting good returns. Sometime I'll show in the stream my returns in my trade book for sure. Indian market now just only for swing trading, that's it. And that too just 2 to 3 trades in a month. In fact, I would say 4 trades a month, in which 3 hits target, 1 hits stop loss, and I get a 75% win rate. I have managed to get 6 7% a month. Pure equity trading, no options trading. Because I don't want stress in my life, right? Let's teach you something today about mindset, like in psychology. See, listen very carefully. This is a very interesting concept, and you will see today it live in the market. Suppose, suppose here are sellers, right? So what happens? Market reaches this point, and here sellers are sitting. They send the market downside. Clear? Okay. Then here buyers are sitting, right? Let's make the sellers red and let's make the buyers green. Okay. So buyers say no, we'll not make it fall. We'll give it a push from here again. Okay. Then market again reaches here. Again here buyers are sitting. Sellers are sitting, sorry. Then sellers try to push, right? But this time seller loses momentum. Okay. Now buyers has shifted to upside. Initially the fall was this much, now it's just this much. So what you can say, power of buyers is increased and power of sellers is decreased, right? So this is buyers, this is sellers. Again buyers make, send market from this side, again upside. Again here sellers try to send the market down. Now it is again a little more higher. So now power of sellers is again more weak. And what happens next is a breakout. That means buyers has surpassed the power of sellers. Got it? Have you read market in this way earlier? So what is coming next is a great bull from here. Next bullish engulfing candle is a good entry for us. Clear? So this is proper psychology based trading. Reading the charts like this makes trading very easy. Try to understand what is happening behind this. Whenever you get such perfect opportunities, buy. But I will never say that this is a 100% winning opportunity. No, 100% is nothing in this market. Clear? So this scenario is clearly bullish for now. Okay. Now let's wait and let's see, does market follow our concept or not. I hope so that it will follow for sure, but let's see. Time will tell. Our job is to patiently wait. That's it. And you know what? all the patterns, all the things which you are studying in the books of trading, like trend, ascending triangle, wedge, trend line, everything is, behind these concepts only. Here you can clearly see. I'll show you. What is this? Ascending triangle, right? And now I have explained the psychology behind this. Clear? This is the ascending triangle. Am I right? Like this only. So, like this, you can analyze all the chart patterns and psychology behind those chart patterns. Let me ask you one question. Are you active listening to me? Give me a thumbs up, then I'll ask you a good question. Yes, you are right, but always remember, a bullish pattern is always after a fall. If it is forming on the top, then it's of no use, right? Okay, let me ask you one question. See, tell me out of these, which double bottom is strong? These two are the double bottoms. I know many of you would be first time knowing that this is also a double bottom, but still tell me which one is strong. As expected, waiting for another answers also. Let me clear one thing, that this bearish engulfing candle, initially I was interested for selling, but now I am not interested. You all know why? Because clear psychology we can see here, right? So there are many high chances that it may go upside. That's why currently I'm not interested in selling. As in 4 hour and 1 hour, our bias was also bullish. Okay, so now you have given your answers. Many other viewers are also there. Be interactive, make these sessions interactive. You will get to learn many things. May you never know which one thing can change your entire life. So if I am asking a question, that means there's something good behind that. So be interactive and answer the questions. Just wait for one more minute if we get other answers also. Otherwise, I'll tell you the concept behind this. And you will be shocked and mesmerized to know these things. So, Mr. Sham, can you tell me why have you told B? All the those who have told me the B or A, just elaborate why have you chosen. Then I'll tell my side of point. So let me tell you. Just listen very carefully and try to you know imbibe these things in your mind. No, listen to me. You will get to know. So market was falling, right? Here market got the buyers and buyers tried to put again upside. Then it got rejected at this point. Here sellers were sitting and they again tried to sell the market and push it downwards. Okay, again here buyers were sitting and they again pushed it. Okay, this is simple double bottom. Then this one. Listen very carefully. Okay, sellers were pushing from somewhere down up to this. Okay, from here buyers were sitting, they pushed the market again up. Then sellers were able to put market just this much distance down, this much. Initially it was going this much down, so sellers became weak. Got it? And buyers become strong because initially buyers were from this point. Now buyers have reached more higher in the chart and sellers have become weak. So this double bottom is much more stronger than this one, right? Have you got this? I know many of you would have not been knowing that this is also double bottom and even this is much stronger. I hope there is no news event today. Just make sure. Yeah, no news event. See, if this green candle is a bullish engulfing, we'll be opening a buying position, right? Be it anywhere, we'll open our position. Let's see. Let's wait for the candle closing. Don't try to think and make any entry. Thanks a lot. If your concepts are clear, what you will teach will become everything clear to everyone. In this manner, you can analyze anything in the market. Let's see our MT5 account and make it ready. Maybe we would need to open a position. So stop loss is almost. Let's check it on the charts. $20. So let's open the trade with almost 0.2 lots. Just place the values and just be ready to open the position. If you have any doubts, any questions, you are very much free to ask and I would love to answer. Don't hesitate. Let's make our charts clear as our views for today are almost clear. If this candle is a green, I would be buying. And let's just on a 15 minutes make a higher target also. Maybe we would requiring this. Let's make this as a target. Just be with me, you will get to learn much more good things for sure. I can promise you. I think it will not give us opportunity to take the entry. Now is it clear? So these things happen. Your analysis was correct, everything was correct, but still you haven't got the chance to take the entry. But what I am interested. Let's see what happens. Because it was a nice setup, I told you, I explained you. It's a complete bullish setup and a very nice, and these things happen. But you should not be taking any emotional trades. After such a big candle, I won't be taking the entry. That's no point of taking such an entry. It hit the target simply without giving us an entry. My setup is not too much costly, brother. Just 1 to 1.5 lakhs only. So it is going for sure on upside. Then now we are interested in opening a buying position. Let me open a trade. So I'm opening it a little less amount as stop loss is bigger, 0.12 lots, and I am opening the buying position. Clear? So we have taken a buying position and we will be putting 16049 as a stop loss. One six zero four nine, or maybe this 16042. Let's see on that chart. Okay, make the stop loss 16042. Clear? I'll explain you why I have took this entry. Although I have explained, but still I'll tell you. See, if this candle would have closed here, then I would not be interested. But now I am interested. Why? Because it is a proper psychology based trade, proper, setting up the market, proper breakout, and proper retest candle. So I am interested in this position. Clear? And we'll be taking at least 1 is to 1.5. Okay. If this is interrupting in the screen, now it will be clear for you, I guess. Right? Let's see the MetaTrader 5. So we are currently in $40 profit. So our entry point is 16092 and our stop loss is 43. That is almost 50. So with 1 is to 1.5, our target will be 75 points. So from 16092, 75 points are how much? 16097, 16167. Okay, 16167 is our target price. Let's place this 16167, right? So I hope I was very much clear when I took the trade, and everything you can see is completely live and psychology based, and we are taking the trade only which we decided earlier. Proper breakout, proper retest, and a proper engulfing candle, and now a 1 is to 1.5 trade. So now our work is to just wait patiently, no anxiety, nothing like that. I know in now only either I'll be booking a $150 almost profit or $100 approx loss. That's enough. So what's the anxiety? Nothing. Everything is clear in front. So that's how you take, you get confidence in trading. Just be with me for another 1 month. You will get to learn many more things. Please hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel, and hit the like button if you like my analysis, my way of taking trades. Your like matters and it will encourage me to bring such more sessions. I hope I am able to bring, valuable content to you people. You can ask me now anything you want, as we have taken our entry and now we just have to wait. If you have any doubts in this trade particular setup or anything other you want to ask, you are free to ask. We'll host this session for 8:30 or 8:35. After this, I'll close results, then I'll update on Telegram and tomorrow. But if in that meantime we get the results, that's good. What are you going to do next? What does that mean? What do you want to ask? Be more clear. Absolutely. Just give a limited amount of time to charts. Don't, try to think 24 hours seeing the charts will make a difference. Never. Okay. With time, you will get confidence. I keep on repeatedly saying these things to you. That even if I teach you trading in next 4 days, in becoming profitable, it will take you time. It is a profession, pure profession, and I think most difficult profession for sure. Because in this, you have to do what your natural human mind is told to, exact opposite to that. Clear? Just trade what market is giving to you. Don't try to think that you will make a change in market, and what you are thinking market will do that. No. Do what market is going to do. After consolidation, you get the best trades, brother. That's also a fact. Let's see our P&L. So we are in $90 profit currently. Good going. Still, till the profit is booked, it is never yours. Let's see, I'll teach you something interesting today. If market gives me opportunity which I am thinking, then I'll for sure teach you something more interesting today. If this particular candle is red and then next candle is green, then see the magic what I will be showing to you. No, no, no. I don't do these things. Either target or stop loss, that's it. I know my strategy will give me targets for sure. Then why? With 55% win rate, I am currently 2.8% up. Right? Then why to do these things? Try to make your trading easy that you can leave the screen whenever you want. At this time now I am free to leave. Either it will hit the stop loss or the target, that's it. But if I keep trailing, I'll be looking for the market again and again. If I am enjoying any party, my screen will be on. No. When you give, less time to the screen, you get more profits. When you give more time, you get more frustration, less profits. And I hope everyone agrees to that fact. Then what's the use of trading? It is made to bring financial freedom to you, right? But what happens is everyone keeps sticking to that screen and they are even more booked than other professions. What's the point of that? No point. Your strategy should be so clear that you can leave the screen whenever you want. No FOMO, nothing like that. Just see the magic. When this green candle closes above this, I'll show you one magic. I'll be doing something which is exactly opposite to the human mind. And that takes great confidence. Just the condition for that is this candle should be green. Let's see if it be green or not. Some things in your mind should be always clear. That's why I am thinking clear, and I haven't developed this mindset in just 1 2 days. If I would be saying that, I would be fooling you with fake knowledge. I also went through a proper pipeline to become a trader, right? I had many losses, many failures, many nights of crying, frustrating, blowing my head up. But what is this happening in my life? These moments came. Then, once when you realize what you are expecting from your trading, right? When you get to know that this is not a get rich quick scheme, it's a proper profession with proper knowledge, proper dedication, then you try, you get to see changes. Just let this green candle close above this, then I'll for sure teach you something nice today. Almost we are $100 up. Let's see if with this book this profit, this will be again our third winning trade in a row. But as I told you, until the profit is booked, it is never yours. So I hope I was right. As I told you, see this psychology, buyers and sellers, how beautifully a breakout came. right? If you keep on searching just this pattern in market in month, even if you get it 3 4 times, that's also enough, to make your trading profitable, right? That should be your mindset. You should not think of trading every day, every hour. No. And I think this was such a simple setup. Everyone will agree for that. Simple. Here, sellers were strong, then sellers become weak, then more weak, then buyers overtook. Breakout, retest, and a beautiful breakout. Nothing can be more simple than this. The time which I gave you in just starting, that much only. In the starting of this session. No pre analysis I keep on doing or anything like that. Okay. So, are you ready for the magic? See, what I will be now doing is I will be adding more position here wherever the candle closes, and I will move my stop loss to this. Clear? This is known as pyramiding. So our turn is to wait for this candle closing above this. Then I'll be adding half the lot size of initial order, or a little higher, 0.78. But condition is this candle should close above this. Okay, on your screen you can see on the right top corner it failed to close above this. Let's see on the trading view. So it has closed above this. Okay, so what I am doing now is I am adding 0.07 more lot size. Clear? This is known as pyramiding, and that takes a lot of confidence to do. And now my whole stop loss for this position will be at the cost. And many people will be thinking that just now I was saying I don't trail. It is not trailing, it is pyramiding, because again my money will be at risk, so that is not a trailing. So just take the stop loss to initial entry for both the positions, such that our initial position will be cut in zero profit and new position will be booked in loss. So this is pyramiding, and by doing this, if you get a winning trade, your position size and your win size is increased massively. So our entry was at 16093. So let's shift to this stop loss to 16093. Okay, and for this position also shift the stop loss to 16093. Right now in a same 1:1.5 trade, I have increased my win size. If I win this position, this trade will become almost 1:1.2. Our natural human mind is tend to say book the profits as early as possible, but what I am doing is I am even risking more, right? I am risking all my profit and even more loss. This is very typical concept in market, but once you get this, there's no looking back. So this is our initial position. Almost this is a new position which we have added. Let's just wait what we get. You can't quantify how much hours. If you get your thinking right on the first day and you don't disturb it, maybe you become the trader next night. I know that's not much possible, but still. See, I told you, by doing this, your win size increases massively if you are correct. This is pyramiding, this takes lot of confidence to do. Don't try this at home without proper training because it may convert your winning trade in a good losing trade also. Clear? And I think what we should do is we should keep a risk of 1%. Suppose 0.7. Let's shift the stop loss to little bit lower. Why? Because sometimes market come downs to recheck the level initially. That's why we'll shift a little stop loss lower. 0.93. Let's make it 0.85. Now our work is to just wait and watch and accept whatever market gives us. If you are new, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button also. I'll keep on bringing such amazing sessions to you completely free. So what happens is our natural mind is thought to book profits as early as possible. That's why most people's winning size is too low and losing size is too big because our mind is trained to not book losses. Why? Until the loss is booked, it is never yours. That is a mindset everyone have. That let's wait a bit, let's wait a bit more, let's wait a bit more. But in profit, let's close it. Let's don't wait. Let's close it now. Let's close it before the target. That's a basic human mindset, right? But in pyramiding, when you are doing pyramiding, you are completely doing things against a human mind. Now our stop loss for this position is also almost here. But this is also here. Now this total and this is our stop loss. Clear? Let's see, we will have two, three consecutive winning trades or we will have a losing trade. Let's hope for the best. Nowadays, funded accounts come with no time limit, brother. You have unlimited time. Have everyone here present got the concept of pyramiding? Because this is the most beautiful thing trading can offer. In this 1 is to 1.5 trade, I can manage to get a profit of 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3 also if I do proper pyramiding and if market is in my favor that day. So if I want, I can close now also as I have got my 1 is to 1.5. But as we have done pyramiding today, then we will try to catch more profits. Just be very calm, no anxiety, nothing. Either you will have a fixed stop loss of either $100 approx or a fixed target of approx $200. So your mind should be very clear, no anxiety, just calm and composed. Be result anything. I hope everyone is enjoying this session and you got to know many new things. Is anyone in the trade with me or just watching? Great. There's a rule in medical science while operating when you are learning the operations. See one, observe one, then do one. Absolutely. You should have that patience in you. That's great. Because patient is the most important asset of a trader. So it is current balance 10407. A current profit according to the current profit. But it will depend on will we book or not. And see here you can see all the two trades which we have took today. Yes, brother, I have took this trade. We are live. We have done pyramiding also. This is our current position for the day. You can see we are running $100 profit. You got a bit late. So Today I told many important concepts. You can watch this session. This is, one of the most best session which I have conducted till now. I have told about pyramiding also, the beauty of trading. Most people try to book when they reach target. I add more position when I almost reach target. That should be the mindset. So please hit the like button. If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. I'll be regularly bringing such sessions for you and will try my best to make your trading profitable and easy. Yes, you should watch it. I am recommending this session for everyone to watch. This is a great knowledgeable session. And let's see if this session closes profitable or not. I hope it should. Still, the profit is whenever it is not booked, it is never yours. I have already scaled in. You can see two boxes. Our first entry was this, with this the stop loss. Then we took one more entry here. Then we shifted the whole stop loss to this point. Got it? This is known as pyramiding. And that took a lot of confidence when you are trading live and you are able to do pyramiding live. Yes, you can trade whatever you want, but if you are trading with me, I would recommend to trade same instrument which I am trading. So those who are new, let me tell you, we are trying to pass a funded challenge of $10,000. This is the dashboard. This is the balance and this is today's equity. Currently the profit is not booked. That's why it's not showing here. And our target is 7.5%. Currently we are 2.8% up. These are the trades till now which we have took, right? So basic program which this is running is just to clear a $10,000 funded account by simple price action trading. Okay, and I'll be almost trading live daily. This is the session currently going on. We are $177 up for today. Let's see. I hope we book profit. Still, till the profit is booked, it is never yours. Let's play one more game. Let's add a little more position and shift hold the stop loss to this level. Okay, I'm adding 0.03 more. Right, you can see I have added a 0.03 more position to this and I'll shift my stop loss to 16,106 complete stop loss. So now this position is stop loss free, and this is the current position which we have added almost here, with this being the stop loss. I'll be regularly trading live here. Soon I'll be launching a course in which I'll be teaching just basics which you require for trading, not any hi-fi or useless concepts. Simple price action things and simple concepts, simple risk reward management, how to clear funded challenges, and that's it. Course will be of course paid. It's 8:40. I think we'll just wait for one or two more candles. Nothing like that will happen, brother. Don't worry, it won't be too costly. And even I will say, you want, you can learn from free live sessions also. Still, I know course will be much better, but those who want to learn can learn from this also. You are getting to know my mindset in live trading also. My confidence, my mindset, these things are main. Let's see. Let's first, I am, giving my day and night to design it. Once I launch, then I'll see what's the price and other things. No, I told earlier also I don't trade options, brother. Indian markets, just swing trading, that's it. I don't want to make my life frustrating. A very simple concept. I arrange capital from funded trading in Forex and I use that capital for good swing trading. That's it. I don't like complexities in my life. I want to keep things simple. There are many options out there, this, that. Also, yeah, I am investing in crypto also. I used to trade earlier crypto very much, but now a little less, mainly for investments. When you become a good trader, you get to know that one instrument is more than enough, be it options, be it equity, be it forex, be it anything. Earlier, I used to trade Indian markets only for intraday, but being a doctor, I don't have time at that 9 to 3, right? That's why I chosen forex. Being at this time, mostly I'm free, so that's the main reason for choosing forex. Plus, that funded options also, that's also a blessing for a person who is a good trader but don't have a capital. It's It's delaying today's work. Just I'll wait for one more candle, then we'll close it. My target was to get 1 is to 1.5. Still, we have got more than that. Yes, I am Indian. I am living in New Delhi. देसी हैं भाई देसी. You are loving this? We have almost hit $200 for today. In that same 1 is to 1.5 trade. This is the power of pyramiding. Don't be surprised. Everyone loves to have multiple streams of income. You should have dedication, and your fitness should allow these things to you. Eat right, sleep right, do exercise, think right, keep your mindset very positive, and you are good to go. ऑर्थोपेडिक सर्जन, हड्डियों का डॉक्टर. I am trading in English only because many of the followers and viewers are from outside the country. That's why I am preferring only English. Once I hit a good number of subscribers, I'll reveal my face also. Currently, I am not interested. Yes, you can ask me what you want to ask. If it will be in my department, I'll surely help you out. You know what? There is no such a precise point that I can tell you. You just go there and you will get to learn. No. I haven't myself learned like that, so how can I tell you something like that? You getting it? There's a mix of many things, books, courses, YouTubes, and everything. And I am trying to compile all this thing in one place, which I will not, tell you or promise you that I'll be sharing in my course everything possible. No, I'll be sharing which I am using and you can see me using live. Doing this live session is main motto is that you get confidence. The person behind sitting behind the screen is also a good trader because many people are fooling out there. They themselves are not profitable trader and they are managing courses and signals. If a person who himself or herself is not a good trader, how he can train trading? Is it a joke? No. That's why I'm trying to design a course that could be very simple and very easy to go through, right? My home has got fractured. Okay. Go on Telegram, and on Telegram in my channel you will get my personal link of that admin and send me the picture of the x-ray. I will answer in the personal, right? First, price action. Second, mindset. Third, risk reward management for funded accounts. And fourth, all the general things. So I'll be waiting for just one more candle. After that, I'll be closing the trade for today, right? My trading time and my screen time for the day is over. After that, whatever be the profit, I'll accept that and I will close. Our basic target was 1 is to 1.5, that is 150, and we are above that. So I would close this after one more candle, like this, after this next candle, whatever it be. If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. I'll be regularly bringing such live sessions to teach you, to train you, and to make you trade profitable. And hit that like button also. That would encourage me a lot. I have done so much hard work that I am sitting here right now. So after this candle, I will close the market, my position, whatever be the position at that time. Because I want to trade everything in front of you. In hindsight, I don't want to book profits or targets or losses, so that you get a clear vision always that what I am doing. I don't want you to think that the person behind the screen is hiding something or doing some fake things. No. I want everything to be very clear so that you get good confidence and you get a good trust on me, right? Simple, this Forex factory, this one. Just one thing I see. Is there any red event? Nothing more than that. Clear? I can't, calculate that how much screen time, but yeah, I have given a lot of time to market. I have given a lot of days and nights to develop strategies, to test new strategies. I can't tell you a particular time, even 10 hours a day. But at the end, when I get to learn, I got to know that that much time was never required. It's your, it completely depends on your luck, that in your initial days, what person you are, confronted to initially. If you have gotten in the hands of a right person, maybe your trading journey becomes a less difficult and your learning curves become a smaller one. And if you have gotten in the hands of a fake trader who is not himself a trader, just faking things, then your trading curve may be enlarged a lot. So that completely depends on these things. You can see many of the traders who are out there and selling big courses don't have confidence to trade live. One or two live trading sessions doesn't matter much. But when you have confidence to trade live daily and you have confidence to show your results completely live, that's the real confidence. I don't think so. For crypto, there is one more website. Currently, I am not able to recall the name, but yeah, it is there. So we'll close this stream at exactly 9 p.m. right? In if someone is viewing from outside, in India it is currently 8:53 p.m. and at 9 p.m. we'll close this stream. And if you want to trade with us and if you are interested in trading, you are very much welcome. Almost in a week, we have 5 live trading sessions around 7 to 7:30 p.m. daily. And today's session is very much valuable. You should watch it. Take out some time from your busy life. You'll get to learn new things. I'm not wanting to cut this trade. I think that it will hit the target for sure. I think we should wait a little more. So, what do you say? Should we wait or should we close? Because right now, also, we are in good profits, but I think I should not break my rules and wait for the target. What is market structure? Are you asking me a question or you are asking me in current chart? In general, market structure is nothing simple. Just see on the bigger time frame, is it bullish or bearish or is it consolidating? Second, mark few levels, that is either few or just one or two support or resistance. You will get to know what is the market structure right now. You will get a basic idea that is it going for a bullish or a bearish thing. If suppose it's somewhere between like support and resistance, and on time frame daily chart you can see the structure is bullish, so simply it is going towards the resistance, that is upside. In trading, there is no particular dictionary that this means this. Every trader has different definitions of different things. Like a very simple example is of engulfing candles. For me, engulfing candles are something else. For someone other trader, engulfing candle is something else. Everyone has different definitions and different explanations for particular things. Are you getting it? Currently what is happening? It's nothing simple. It's going to make a higher low and it will shoot up. And the main thing in pyramiding is this only. During this formation of a higher low, it may hit our stop loss or it may directly shoot up. In pyramiding, this is the main thing, main issue. Because if we would have simply taken this trade from here to here, then it would be a simple thing for us. But now, as we have taken other positions in pyramiding, and now our stop loss stands somewhat near here. So now the position is dicey for us, right? So in that way, pyramiding is very difficult to do, and you need a lot of experience because your high winning trades may become losing. But yeah, the benefit is that if you get a good one winning trade, you may even get profits of equal to 2, 3, 5, 4, 5 trades at once only, right? So my screen will be visible right now. I am hiding my camera currently. Okay, let's keep this position open and wait for either hitting the stop loss or the target, right? So streaming is still live. Let's wait for the target or the stop loss. I have turned off the voice, brother. Just waiting for the target or stop loss, right? I was not in the mood, to cut the position because I was having a little bit confidence that it should hit the target. That's why I just closed the camera. Stream is still running. Let's see we what we'll book today. So now my voice is clear, right? It is good. They are a good company. They offer good challenges. And I think right now the most trusted one in the market. I also have funded accounts with them. The company, which embarrassed me was Funding Frontier. No, sorry, not Funding Frontier, the Forex Funder. They had some bullish, foolish rules and very disgusting. I stopped working with them. If I am right, the next candle is going to be a great, good, big green candle. Let's see. Nothing is for sure, but still, my experience says that next green will be a good big green candle. After that, I'll explain why I was saying this. First, let's see it becomes true or not. There are many days when market tests your patience, right? Like one is today. It is again and again consolidating, coming up, coming down, coming up, coming down, and it's purely testing our patience. And we don't have to lose it, we have to maintain. Even though I also tried to lose patience once or twice in between, but still, your decision, your mental will should be so much strong that you don't break your rules. Like one of our subscribers initially asked, and I told that I don't book in between either a stop loss or a target. But once I was tempted, right, to book early. So these things, even keep on happening with everyone. And once you lose your mindset, and everything is loose. You can lose everything in just one wrong decision. So now we have clear mind that either we will be taking the target or the set stop loss. Even if we have to wait for 1 more hour, although it should not happen, but if it happens, then also. So I told you next candle can be a good green candle. Let's see it becomes true or not. If it becomes a good green candle, maybe we can hit the target in next one or two candles. Every possibility is, possible. So hats off to me. Thanks. What did I say? Exactly same thing happening because everything is psychology, and I was just interpreting the psychology behind this. So, oops, our stop profit was placed earlier only and it had booked here. See, I have placed a target of 167 and it's booked. So these are our current today's profit 179, 41 and 6, and now we are $513 plus. That's a great achievement, guys. Almost we have hit the target also. Congratulations. Actually I placed the target a bit earlier in that MT5 by mistake. It hit that. Let's see our progress. So you can see our updated balances 10513 and just 2.23% left to hit the target and to pass this funding challenge. And our win rate is now 66%. These are today's pyramiding trades. If we would have taken only one trade, then this would be the profit. But by doing pyramiding, we have managed to get a little higher, that is a $50 higher, right? And you can see almost we have achieved the target also. So that was a nice and the most valuable session till now. I would recommend everyone to watch it from starting. You will get to learn many new things today for sure. So it's okay. Now bye bye, good night, take care. Your host, your friend, your trainer, Dr. D.